While mechanical keyboards are winning hearts for their precision and durability, the demand for powerful, efficient vacuum cleaners is soaring for similar reasons: performance, reliability, and customization. Today's homeowners want vacuums that deliver deep cleans across different surfaces, last long on a single charge for cordless models, and include convenient features like auto cord rewind or pet hair removal. This guide evaluates suction power, maneuverability, filtration, runtime, and overall value. List 1. Cordless vacuum cleaner, 580 watts, 48 kPa, 65 minutes vacuum cleaners for home. This cordless 580 watts vacuum cleaner brings industrial strength suction in a surprisingly lightweight and quiet package. With a whopping 48 kPa suction power, it picks up fine dust, pet hair, and debris from both carpets and hardwood with ease. What really stands out is the 65-minute runtime, a top-tier duration in its class, making it great for cleaning large homes without interruption. List 2. Bissell CleanView Swivel Vacuum with Triple Action Brush Roll, Swivel Steering, Extension Wand. The Bissell CleanView Swivel Vacuum is a classic upright vacuum known for its triple action brush roll, which effortlessly lifts and removes embedded dirt and pet hair. Thanks to swivel steering, this vacuum glides around furniture and corners with ease, an ideal solution for busy households. The multi-cyclonic suction system keeps the filter clean longer while maintaining powerful suction throughout the clean. Its extension wand and specialty tools allow you to reach ceiling corners, furniture edges. Listen up. Bissell CleanView Swivel Rewind Pet Reach Vacuum Cleaner with quick release wand, designed specifically for pet owners. The Bissell CleanView Swivel Rewind Pet Reach is engineered to tackle fur, dander, and allergens with ease. It includes a quick release wand for fast transitions between floors and above floor surfaces like upholstery or stairs. The swivel head improves maneuverability, while the automatic cord rewind adds major convenience. Just press a button. List more. Bissell CleanView Rewind Upright Bagless Vacuum with automatic cord rewind and active wand. The Bissell CleanView Rewind Upright Vacuum balances convenience and performance, making it a smart pick for busy households. Its standout feature is the automatic cord rewind, which saves you from manually wrapping cords. The active wand lets you clean hard-to-reach areas quickly, from baseboards to ceiling fans. This vacuum is bagless, so emptying the dustbin is simple and mess-free. Its powerful suction, combined with a multi-level filtration system, captures fine dust and allergens. The CleanView. List 9. Eureka Lightweight Powerful Upright Vacuum Cleaner for Carpet and Hard Floor. Power Speed. The Eureka Power Speed Upright Vacuum Cleaner packs a punch in both suction and agility. It's lightweight yet powerful, perfect for users who want easy handling without sacrificing performance. Designed to clean both carpets and hard floors, it has 5 height adjustment settings and a wide nozzle that captures larger debris effortlessly. Its extra-large dust cup reduces the frequency of emptying,